A very good morning, students. This is Rahul Garg, your maths teacher. Hope you are healthy and fine. Students, we are doing our chapter number 3, that is a pair of linear equation in two variables. And up till now, we have done with our three methods. First one is graphical method, second one is substitution method, and third one is elimination method. And so we left with only our last method, that is cross multiplication method. Student, cross multiplication method is just a shortcut or say a modification of elimination method. In cross multiplication method, if we have two equations like a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals 0, that is my first equation. a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals 0, this is my second equation. To solve this equation, to solve value of x and y, we just write x, y and 1 like this, and now we will write coefficient of y in first equation, that is b1 here, and coefficient of y in second equation, that is b2 here. Now the constant term c1 here, c2, and then coefficient of x and coefficient of x in second equation, and again coefficient of y in first equation and coefficient of y in second equation. Now what we will do, we will multiply, cross multiply this like this. We put arrow sign like this, first from top to bottom and then bottom to top. Now write x here and solve this. b1 into c2, b1 into c2. Now put negative sign and b2 into c1. b1 c2 minus b2 c1 equals y. c1 a2 minus c2 a1 equals, that is 1. a1 b2 minus a2 b1. I am repeating here. First of all, we write the equation in general form. Here a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals 0. a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals 0. This is my second equation, and then I write x, y and 1. Now write here coefficient of y in first equation and coefficient of y in second equation here. Here is b1 and b2. Then constant term in first equation and constant term in second equation. Coefficient of x in first equation, coefficient of x in second equation, and again coefficient of y in first equation, coefficient of y in second equation. Now to solve, x divided by b1 into c2 minus b2 into c1, b1 into c2 minus b2 into c1 equals y. c1 into a2 minus c2 into a1 equals 1 divided by a1 into b2 minus a2 into b1. Now to solve the value of x, we will equate this with this, and to solve the value of y, we will equate that both equations. Now take example. Here my sum is, to solve the equation 2x plus y equals 5 and 3x plus 2y equals 8. Now first step will be to write the equation in general form. So my general form will be 2x plus y, and this 5 will becomes negative 5 equals 0, and 3x plus 2y minus 8 equals 0. This will become my second equation. Now our next step is to write x, y and 1. So first, coefficient of y. Here coefficient of y. Firstly, we will write a value of a1, a2, b1, b2, c1, c2. So first write a1. a1 is coefficient of x in first equation, that is 2, and a2 equals coefficient of x in second equation, that is 3. Here b1 coefficient of y in first equation, that is 1, and coefficient of y in second equation is 2. Now constant term in first equation is minus 5, and constant term in second equation is minus 8. Now we will write x, y and 1. Now write b1. b1 is 1 and b2 is 2. c1 is minus 5. c2 is minus 8. And a1 is 2 and a2 is 3. Again b1, b2. Now arrow like this, and write x divide by, here 1 into minus 8 minus 2 into this minus 5 equals y. Minus 5 into this 3 minus this minus 8 into 2 equals 1 divided by 2 into 2 minus 3 into 1. Again I am repeating, x divided by 1 into this minus 8 and minus 2 into this minus 5 equals y divided by minus 5 into 3 minus 8 into 2 and equals 1 divided by 2 into 2 minus 3 into 1. Now if we solve, we will get x divided by, this will become minus 8 and this will become minus plus 2 5s are 10 equals y divided by minus 15, and this will become minus plus 2 8s are 16 equals 1 divided by 2 into 2 4 minus 3, and x divided by minus 8 plus 10 means plus 2 equals y divided by minus 15 plus 16 means 1 equals 1 divided by 4 minus 3 1. Now to solve x, to find out the value of x, we will equate x divided by 2 with 1. We will get x equals 2, and to get the value of y, we will equate that both. Y divided by 1 equals y will become 1, and this is our answer. Both x equals 2 and y equals 1. This is our answer. Now our second question is, my second sum is, for what value of k will the pair of linear equation have no solution. And my equations are 3x plus y equals 1 and 2k minus 1 x plus k minus 1 into y equals 2k plus 1. Now to solve this, first write in standard form, that is 3x plus y minus 1 equals 0, and this will become 2k minus 1 into x plus k minus 1 into y, and this will become minus 2k plus 1 equals 0. Now here we are mentioned with no solution, and we know the condition for no solution is a1 divided by a2 equals b1 divided by b2 but not equals c1 divided by c2. This is this is condition for parallel lines, and parallel line have no solution, means inconsistent. Now a1 is 3 and a2 is 2k minus 1 equals b1 is 1 and b2 is k minus 1. And to solve, cross multiply. This will become 3k minus 3 equals 2k minus 1, and this will become 3k minus 2k equals minus 1 plus 3, and k will become 2. This will our answer. Now in the similar type of question you have given you maybe have given no solution or infinite many solution, unique solution. The thing will change is that the condition, and the rest thing will be same. Now we have we have 5 question, and your homework is first 4 question. Okay, thank you students.